Commissioner, respected teachers, ma'am, miss, my dear friend of this school, and present guests and parents in this cultural program. First of I want to give my introduction. My name is Anjali Prasad. My father name is Professor. My grandfather name is Vikas. I am from Kudwa. I am 11 years old. I am a student of class 1. Today I have got a golden chance to say some speech. On this stage, the topic of my speech is about our school. Our school name is Creative English Boarding School. There are many classrooms in our school. We study in the classroom. There are desks and chairs. There is a whiteboard. There we on the whiteboard with marker. Now I am going to stop to my speech. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.
धन्यवाद निकेलाल भाइलाई एउटा सानो स्पिच लिनुभएकोमा। ल हाम्रो अब यो कार्यक्रमलाई अगाडि बढाउने क्रममा हामी एउटा अझ ब्याङ्करसँग अर्जुन यादव, रवि यादव, निखिल मुखिया,
हम जो करने चले गलती वो जोड़